Tonight we're going to make, this evening we're going to make a lentil curry. It's going to be very tasty and it's going to take about 20 minutes. It's going to have a couple of onions, it might have a bit of pepper, some ginger, some garlic, some courgettes from the garden in, and then we're going to cook up some lentils, which will take about the same time as it takes to cook the rice. I'm going to show you a great rice recipe, which you can't go wrong, and we should be eating in about 20 minutes. So we're going to start with the rice recipe. Now this is a really easy rice recipe. For 4 people, you're going to need a cup, a glass about this big. As simple as this. So take the saucepan. It must have a lid that fits with a glass in the pot. And we're going to fill that with rice. So we've got 1 cup of rice. We're going to pour that in the pot like that. 1 glass of water, and then we're going to do a quarter of a cup, a glass of water. So that's our water, so that's 1 part rice, so 1 1/4 parts water, a large cup of rice also for 4 people, and we're going to bring it to the boil. While that's coming to the boil, we're going to find we're going to chop a couple of onions. Before we chop the onions, we're just going to put the pan, to warm the pan up before we put the oil in. And that way, when we put the oil in the pan, the oil's going to be hot straight away. So we're just warming the pot up. Nice little way of chopping onions. You might want to zoom in here. Chop the ends off like this. Onions should take no time at all. Chop the ends off like that. Chop down one side like that. Just peel out the top layer. You'll see this is a really quick way of doing onions. So just take the top layer off like that. Okay, no messing about. We're going to chop the onion in half, and then we're going to slice like this. We're not going to slice, if you notice, we don't slice right the way through the onion. We leave a bit of the onion in one place. So we want it fairly finely chopped. Now when we chop the onion, you see it's become perfect little cubes of onion. Extra virgin olive oil. A bit of oil in the pan. Onions in there. Now, we're going to set the lentils going.
Okay.
So, in a fairly big pan like this, red split lentils. Okay. 1 cup of lentils into the saucepan. 2.5 cups of water.
Okay.
Okay. We're going to put them on the gas. Like this. Then we're going to put the lid. Onions looking good. Now we're going to chop up some ginger. So we're going to chop, little cubes. The rice is boiling. Turn it down. We're going to set the timer. We're going to simmer the rice for 8 minutes. Then we're going to take a pepper. To our ginger and onions. We're going to put a couple of teaspoons of red curry paste, red Thai curry paste.
Wow.
No, it's not too hot. Just a little bit of curry powder. Just a spoon of curry paste. Stir that around, yeah?
Generous.
Give it a little bit of sweetness. Yeah. So we're going to put in a courgette, just to give it a bit of bulk it out. So we're going to chop the courgette. We're going to take a spoon.
Yeah.
And we're just going to pull out some of these seeds in the middle. Then we're going to cube the courgette. We'll chop them like this. Chop them down. We're going to put those in. We're just waiting for the rice to finish boiling. We have another 2 minutes for the rice. We're going to put a bit of garlic in.
Yeah.
A little chef's trick. You take the garlic. I mean, I'm sure most of the people know this. You chop the ends off. We're going to go for the rice. We're going to chop the ends off, press it down with a knife. That way, the skin comes off just like that. And then
Colourful in
now,
there.
rice has been simmering for 8 minutes with the lid on. Yep. Now we're going to turn the heat off the rice and set the timer for another 8 minutes. We're going to take a couple of these are pickled chilies, we're going to chop them up and we're going to put those into the curry. The lentils have had their 10 minutes, they're nicely cooked, and we're going to pour the lentils into the saucepan. Stir all this in together. We can take some Greek yogurt. We're going to put some of that. So we're going to put a tub of Greek yogurt in. I'm going to mix that all together. It's nice and creamy there, like that. Now we're going to put that on a fairly low light and turn the heat down a couple of minutes. We're just going to let that simmer for another maybe about 4 or 5 minutes. The rice is now going to be perfect. Look at that. And what I like to do with the rice is before we serve it is just fluff it up with a fork like that. That lets more of the moisture out. Fluff it up a bit. And then we'll just put the lid on to keep it warm, but that will be good for 20 minutes. Lentil curry for 4. And we'll accompany it with a bottle of shim. I think
that's better. Yeah, raring to go.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know why she didn't